Hey guys, what's up? It's Unknown Soldier, and today we're gonna be doing the video of the top 5 weirdest clans, and they're seriously weird. So get ready for this. The first clan is Hash 2888 COP, and it has 3 leaders. They are Brian, Eloy, and this emoji person. I don't know what his name is. So yeah, pretty weird clan. And the next one is Hash POCOJYLV, and look at the trophies. 9,999. And what's with all these smalls? What the fuck? That's pretty weird. Visit one of these. This guy's not active. He's got gem boxing right there. I don't think that clan is active. And the next clan is Hash 9PUG PCP9, and it's got the most war wins ever, 222. It is confirmed by Supercell. So let's visit the leader. That's nearly a max base. Okay, not maxed, far from maxed. And now the next clan is, okay, the clan is not weird. One of the persons are 2RG2V8QR. 2RG2V8QR. And it's called Day of Reckoning. And this clan has the weirdest member. Okay, not the weirdest member, but he's a co-leader, but he has the weirdest obstacle. So this stone over here. So this stone was there when Clash of Clans was first released, but it took up too much memory, so Supercell had to remove it from the game. But the people who have this can still keep it. And now the next one is, okay, this is the weirdest clan you will ever see, ever in Clash of Clans. It's Hash 8J9 V280G. V280G. It's called the 10. They have 9 members. So yeah, and they all have the same bases, same exact bases. Have a view at this one. And now the next player, Lice. Same base, same level. Everyone in their clan is the same level. Now let's visit the leader. Same base. I don't know what is going on in their clan. It's the same base. Pretty weird clan. And yeah, it's really weird. And they have the same bases upgrading. Barracks. The leader also had barracks. So yeah, seriously weird clan. So that wraps up this video, and see you in my next video next time. And if you like the video, please subscribe and like.